So here's Rave app. So what it does, this is the app where you can get into the chats and watch some things together and discuss them. So and then how to use Google in Rave app. So basically you can watch YouTube videos here. You can watch videos from other services, of course, if you are subscribed and paying. So you just need to log in with your account, and then you can discuss it with your friends and just watch in a company. But how to use Google? So just tap web, and here you see Google, and then you need to search for the term you want to watch. For example, I can see my channel, and you can see that web feature doesn't work with every video. If video can be played in Rave, you will just see a pop-up. But usually it will be either YouTube video or rarely some other service video, which you can watch with your friends. And then you can just tap here and tap return button in the bottom. And then, you can then just see some of the videos, like either, I think, just depending on your so yeah, that's what you can see actually here. You can also change the term and then just tap go. And then, for example, you can just see pop up like that.
Did you know that now you can upload podcasts in YouTube Studio? So if you just go to a channel content tab,
right
now there is also this podcast tab available here.
No, right now you just it's not working. You see, because there is no pop up. So there should be some kind of pop up appearing.
Did you know you can export your notes to PDF
like
files?
This.
So on iPhone, just go to Notes app.
Then you can watch it, but it's only So you see, that's basically the idea here. Again, it says there was a problem loading the video. Retry. You can skip it, and then you can just leave it. So that's basically how you can try to do it. Of course, you can see, of course, the public videos, or that's basically the idea. And only on certain videos the pop-up will appear, so you can share with your friends and watch it together. So that's what this app is about, that you can just watch it with your friends.